Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and this is a new update on my lead gen secrets review. Okay, this is the first month update. If you've not seen my first video that I uploaded on 20th of April, that was the first video in regards to my lead gen secrets review. You can watch this. I have put the link right below this video in the description. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my first month results for my lead gen secrets 2021. Now this is the 31st day, I guess. So I'm going to be showing you my stats. So we'll go to my profile, and this is the date I registered, 30th of March. Okay, so this is like what's that, 31st day. Okay, so coming to your home page today, I've got a leads around 5,600. Okay, so I got some sales, not very encouraging, so I'm going to be showing you my results. These are the emails which I'm sending, and I'm getting good amount of opens and clicks. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you what you need to do to get this kind of results, and are these results really making you money? So let me go to the affiliates tab, and on this page I'm going to be sharing with you the results. So I'm going to go to my commissions, and I have got $10. That is not that encouraging, but eventually when you start a business, this is good. Now remember, in this first month I only promoted my lead gen secrets. Okay, and 4 days, maybe one day one offer, another after 5 to 6 days another offer. So 4 days out of 30 days I promoted different offers. So my experience was that these guys, that is my lead gen secrets team, don't like you to be promoting any other offer. That is cold hard fact. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the proof of that. So this is my Warrior Plus stats, on which I promoted an offer like $0 to $100 per day, and I've got like 32 clicks, no sales. I'm not too surprised that I've not got sales. The surprising thing was that the clicks. So if you see the clicks, it's on 16th of April, and I'll go to let's say 16th. Let me go to 16th. Okay, so 16th, there are like 38 clicks, okay, for this offer, and in these stats there are like 32, which is something I don't know. Another thing which really shocked me, that you can see what this email I sent out on like 26th of April, 4 to 5 days ago, with the offer name, I think it was another offer from Brendan Mays. Let me show you the offer. Okay, so I'm doing it in real time, so maybe it will take some time to load the page, but bear with me, my friend. Okay, so because I'm going to be showing you the real stuff, the real thing which is happening with my account. Not necessarily it's gonna happen with your account, but yeah, this offer, the loss code I promoted. So I've got 28 clicks. It may be raw clicks. When I click on it, it will tell me how many unique clicks I got for this offer from my lead gen secret. So I got 15 clicks, that is unique clicks, you can say. So I'm going to be showing you the email that I sent out in this one, 26, and it is saying 33 clicks, and it's 15. Okay, so maybe this would be 33 will be raw clicks, don't know. Now the surprising thing which I did, and I did it deliberately, is I used the same swipe with my lead gen secret affiliate link. Okay, and you can see the difference with it, and it just after 24 to 48 hours, meaning like after one day, I email again the same email swipes. I can show you the same email swipe I mail, and you can see same email swipe. Just this is all I hyperlink. That is the only difference I did. The rest all is same, and it got me 94 clicks, which is surprising. So that shows that these guys don't want you to promote other things. They only want you to promote a My Lead Gen Secrets. Of course, you can promote any other offer, but the stats will be really awful. Okay, it's not something I'm really thinking good about it, but the stats are really unusual. Okay, now another thing which I asked the support team, that which affiliate link is converting a lot more better, and their affiliate team got me back within 24 hours. The support is really awesome, and they told me that this link is converting really well for a lot of people. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this affiliate link. Okay, so this is the recent sales page which these guys have designed, and that got a lot of proof. Okay, now I also joined My Lead Gen Secrets when I saw this sales page. So something which convinced me, I'm going to be promoting the same thing. This is the principle I've been following for the past 5 to 6 years. Okay, some offer which convinced me to buy, I'm going to be promoting that, because something where that convinced me, it's going to convert a lot of more people. Okay, so I'm also promoting this this sales page. So far, I've got, as I already told you, 2 sales. Like I made $10 in the first month. Now, the one thing which is really surprising for me, that I uploaded my first video, you can see over here, on 20th of April. Okay, and the surprising thing, if you can see, on the same day I got a sale. Now this is something, maybe it's I'm lucky that the day I posted a YouTube video, I got a sale. Now that doesn't mean that I'm uploading a new video just to get sales. No, it's not my intention. My intention is to extensively test this offer for the next 5 to 6 months, because in my opinion, to test a business opportunity or to test a business, you need to at least work with it for at least 5 to 6 months. Okay, and $30 per day for this business is like, what is that, $150 plus that setup fee, $180. So it's close to like $200. So $200 is more than enough to test for this business if it's working for me or not. So I'm going to be testing it for more like 5 to 6 months, and every single month I'm going to be coming up with my update review video. So this is kind of like a new update for the first month results. $10 made, recurring. God knows if these guys stay on the program. I don't know. If they don't, I don't get 200 leads per day. Okay, so far I'm getting 200 leads every single day, and I'm at a mark of like 5,600 leads. Okay, now the first sale which I got was on the 6th, on the 7th day. Okay, yeah, started on 30th, I got on 7th day, I guess 7th or 8th day, and after that I got it after 14 days. So at the time of 20th, let me show you, 20th of April, I had like 3,600 leads. So first sell around 1,000 leads, after I got 1,000 leads, and second sell around 3,600 leads. Now it's not going to be typical, but eventually I'm learning this average. Okay, so I'm going to be testing it for a few more months, and hopefully after 6 months I'm going to be at like what is that, 6 into 5, like 30,000 or 36,000 leads. And at that time I would be more confident to decide whether this business is working for me or not. Okay, so I'm going to be updating every single month on the 1st of every single month right from now. So maybe there'll be 6 videos or 5 videos coming up. So stay tuned if you want to know about this business. Okay, now I'm not promoting this opportunity to my personal email list, because if it is not working for me, I mean $10 is not a result that I would be highly confident to promote to my list. But eventually after a few months, if I get a good results, and then I would promote this opportunity to my list. So this is just promotion I'm doing with this leads. Okay, now another thing I have got update for you is Clickbank offer which I promoted. This was on like, what is that, 3rd of April. Yeah, 3rd of April. So I'm gonna go to my stats. 3rd of April. Let me go. Excuse me. Just bear with me for a few seconds because I'm doing it in real time. What is that date? 3rd of April. Okay, 3rd of April. So I promoted this offer. It is saying I've got 10 clicks, 13 clicks. Maybe these are 2 emails. I don't know. Let's check it. Now this is the My Lead Gen secret. Maybe this would be my personalized email which I send out, and when I click on it, it's gonna take me to the Clickbank offer which I promoted. 12-minute affiliate system which I promoted. Just wait for a few seconds to load the page. Okay, this was the offer which I promoted. All right. Now, surprisingly, this stats is showing me maybe 10 clicks, and to my surprise, on that day, it showed over here 257 clicks. Maybe these are raw clicks, but I don't know. It's so surprising, and I haven't got any sales from it. Okay, so I don't know. You can see where the stats. And I didn't promote it to my personal email list. I just promoted to this My Lead Gen Secrets review. So these are the stats which are really getting me. I'm getting really annoyed with what kind of like 257 clicks and not even one sale. And this pricing point for this offer is $9. It's really high converting, but I'm surprised. All right. So another thing which I would like to share with you is the email swipes. Okay, now if you have purchased My Lead Gen Secrets, and if you're thinking about purchasing this My Master Email Swipes, it's going to cost you $60. But to be honest, the swipes are absolutely spammy. I mean, these subject lines and the way of that content in the swipes is really spammy. Really spammy. Okay, I've gone through the swipes, all the 30 swipes, but then again, the problem is these are working. These are working. You can see over here they're getting like 162 clicks, 143 clicks, 143 clicks, 94, 143. Whenever you promote this offer, My Lead Gen Secrets, look at the opens and click-through rates. They're almost like awesome. Okay, so I don't have any choice. I mean, if it's working for me, then I don't know. But the one thing I noticed is when you promote different offer with these email swipes, the stats are awful. When you promote My Lead Gen Secrets affiliate link, the stats are awesome. Okay, so got 2 opinions for that, but I gotta say that the swipes are really spammy. But again, if it's working for you, if you don't want to write your email swipes, if you are a lazy guy like me, you don't want to write email swipes, then you can buy it. Now, one suggestion for those people who haven't bought My Lead Gen Secrets, you can basically buy this master email swipes right away when you buy the front end, because at that time, the pricing for this master email swipes is going to be $29, like $30, $29.95, I guess. So it's going to be $30. But if you go and buy it after you got into the members area, this is going to cost you $60. So make sure to buy it right away when you buy the front end offer. Okay, so it's going to save you at least $30. And for those people who think I can write a better email, you can try it yourself. I'm not good at it, so I would not experiment with it. Okay, so but these swipes are really spammy. I can't show you because it's not going to be fair to those people who have bought it, but this is something, this email swipes, I'm not going to be using it anywhere else. Okay, so a lot of things to cover, and yep, I have covered everything in the first update after 30 days. So my conclusion is, still testing. A business, when you start, if you're getting few results, it's great. I'm still hoping for many more, but to get $10 in the first month, it's not bad. It's not good, but it's also not bad. Okay, I'm still going to be testing it, and after another month, like on 1st June, I'm going to be coming up with the next update. That is the second month update. So stay tuned, and let's see what the results are after 2 months. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my lead gen secrets 2021 April, May, June review, and stay tuned for the update. Hope you guys have a nice day and have a great year ahead. Bye bye.